So in this video, I'm going to show you how the global segments work. So these are the messages that go out when you use the group friender. So when you look at the global segments I already have that are integrated with a tag hot leads. So here you see the two global segments I have. First contact, that's the name of the segment, and you can here add variants. So it's good to have a couple of variants, like 3, so that also looks less robotic to Facebook. So let's create, or let's just add those. No, wait. Let's create a new one. Add new. What makes sense? So first contact is hey name, hi name, hello name. Then how's your business? What's your niche? How are you driving traffic? Might be a little too blunt for the first time. Maybe add to connect. So add here first add a variant. Good to connect. Maybe also add some emojis. Didn't do that so far. Pleased to meet you. Great to connect with you. Something like that. Add. Now into the tags, I'm going to call leads message templates, add new. First contact, good to connect, how's the business? Add. So now let's go back to Facebook and look. The cold lead 10 requests is working, and it looks like it is because there's a new screen coming up. I could just rearrange the screen so you can see here in the bottom right corner that there is action going on, and there's actually one friend being added. So you see that friends are being added one by one. So it's a good thing to don't use the PC right now. So it's also a good practice. What I do regularly when I need a PC, I just use my laptop to do the outreach and do something else on my other computer, and not log into Facebook or Elmessenger Pro on that one, of course. So this is how the group friender works, and it's doing its job. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to Facebook connections.